Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, today I'm going to check out the fourth single from movie Karnan. And I have already reacted to all the three singles from this movie. If I'm not wrong, let me. Pandarati Purnam, Thatan Thatan, Karnan teaser. Oh, sorry. I still haven't checked out the first single from this movie, which you guys have been requesting like a lot. But let me assure you, I will watch it. I will still react to it. I'm still gonna watch that song, man. The first single of Karnan. But I have already reacted to the teaser and the other two singles, Pandarati Purnam and Thatan Thatan. And out of those, Thatan Thatan is one of my favorite as of right now. But I think this will be my favorite from this movie. It will become my favorite because the special thing about this song is that it's been sung by Dhi. Yes, the singer of Enjoy Injami, the sensational song, the sensational Tamil pop song. And you know, it's that combination, Santosh Narayan Sam, the father, the daughter, and they are back together again for this song. So, fourth single from movie Kannan, it's titled Uttara Dhinga Yepo. So, guys, Dhi has sung this, and I tried to do the subtitles, but subtitles are not available for this song yet. So I'm just gonna watch it as it is. So guys, without wasting any time, let's just get to this song. Let's just watch it, and then we are gonna talk about it. Man, I don't even know what to expect from this song. I mean, will it be related to Mother Earth or village people? No idea. But already into it, yeah. The Karnan fourth single, Uttara Dhinga Yepo. Okay, I cannot read that. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments below about it. Uttara Dhinga Yepo. Yep. Oh, it's a long song, 5 minute song.
Uttradingayappo, Uttradingayammo, Uttradingayappo, Uttradingayammo, Uttradingayappo, Uttradingayammo.
Whoa. Nice transition in the music. I think they are trying to give some kind of message through this song. Okay, that's the sword which Dhanush used in the movie. Wow. Even in the black and white, they are doing those color transitions, man.
வரைஞ்சான் வரான் காட்டருது மேல வரான் கண்டவன அடிக்க வரான் கனவையெல்லாம் பொசுக்க வரான் தங்கம் அவனே பயப்படாது செல்லம் அவளே பயப்படாது ஆதி கொடியே பயப்படாது.
Yes, I'm sure there is a deep meaning in this song, guys.
வாங்க தேரம் மறிச்சு ஆடுவோம் ஏறும் பைதாவெல்லாம் நிறுத்துங்க ஊர் உலகம் சுத்த போறோம் எங்க ரெக்க எங்க கேளுங்க உற்றாதீங்க எப்போ உற்றாதீங்க எப்போ உற்றாதீங்க தாத்தோ உற்றாதீங்க யாச்சோ உற்றாதீங்க என்னோ உற்றாதீங்க எக்கோ உற்றாதீங்க எப்போ உற்றாதீங்க எம்மோ உற்றாதீங்க தாத்தோ உற்றாதீங்க யாச்சோ.
Oh, that was Mari Sarwaraj, right? This guy. Wow, another amazing song from the guys. She is about to be, and she should be, an international sensation very, very soon. Yeah, so yes, she should be an international sensation, guys, and only you and I, guys like us, guys like us can make that possible, to go, so that she can be a very huge sensation in music industry. She's such a fantastic singer, guys, and aside from that, it's a Santosh Narayan Sir musical. The music was just amazing. I really loved the transition in this song when the transition came in the first act of the song. And another thing which I really liked about this song was the coloring. The coloring was, they were trying to show something. They were trying to give a message of some kind, which I was unable to get because of the language barrier, But I don't regret the fact, I'm still gonna guess it. And my guess is that they were trying to show, the world of Karnan. They were trying to give us, an insight in the world of Karnan, or maybe the life of Karnan. I'm not sure, I'm just taking a long shot here. I'm just guessing it out. So maybe that is it. But you guys can always let me know down in the comments below if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Or you guys can let me know down in the comments, the actual meaning of it, the actual deep meaning, that what they are trying to show here. The girls were doing some fantastically synchronized choreography, and once again, I really praised the choreography in Enjoy Anjami's song. The background dancers were in such synchronization. I really loved that choreography sequence, and here too. And I also think that there is a deep meaning behind that handcuff scene, because it was shown a lot and the colors were changing. And first of all, the whole song was in black and white, and still they were changing shades, white and then black and then black and white, and it was all of a mixture, dark white, dark black. So yep, I really love the coloring in this song because of the way it's shot, because of the way it's been done, the choreography, the coloring, and of course the black and white and the handcuff sequence. So yep, I think it all adds up to some deep meaning, and you guys would have to let me know down in the comments below. So guys, if you really like this reaction, really like this video, then please hit that like button below. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push the notification bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. Until then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep supporting.